I like the gigantic wing. You got to get the gigantic wing when you get this car. You don't need a gigantic spoiler to get through a Starbucks drive-thru. You don't need recovery boards to get through a Starbucks drive-thru. My van actually doesn't fit through most Starbucks drive-thrus actually. Sick add-ons. I like the cute little fuel tanks. Here's my Overland rig. Econoline E350 E-Series van with a bunch of sick add-ons. Shout out to Lyndon. I'm at the secret filming spot. My van has a lift kit, wide body fenders, off-road lights, light bar, universal hood brackets, Raptor grill, an actual Raptor right there, awning, 2 ladders. This side ladder is just to look cool and to hang trash bags off of. This ladder leads to nothing. I have a back ladder. This is holding my shovel, camping chairs, tow bar for my tracker, so I'm actually doing something with the back ladder. DIY storage box, high lift jack, hitch step with the recovery hook. Every Overland rig needs recovery boards hanging off of it. You got to get it in orange so it's an eyesore so people could just see it right away. I think I have pretty much every sick add-on except those cute little fuel tanks. Let me know in the comment section, do I need those cute little extra fuel canisters? If you're really lost in the middle of nowhere, will an extra gallon of gas help you find civilization? I could hang them off here though. I don't really need them, but I feel like I'm incomplete. I think Alltop is an Amazon exclusive brand. I know a bunch of you guys have Alltop accessories, tire deflators, and an air compressor. So the recovery boards I have, they're the cheapest on Amazon. And the little nubs on it tore right off. This is one time. This guy gave it 5 stars because it looks awesome and he really likes the look on it. Got the orange ones. You gotta let people know you're adventurous. Those pop out right away. Here's a few more pictures. This guy looks like he actually used it. Good for him. This guy's using it. There's a guy who gave it 5 stars for looking nice. Here's another one who likes it because it looks nice on his storage box. Hey, I could relate, man. This guy gave it a 1 star because it has a black streak on it. Your recovery boards need to look mint hanging off your vehicle, but that's a little harsh. 1 star just because it's not perfect. Maybe 3.5. Everyone has that. If I won the lottery, this would be my first car purchase. This is mine right here. 2019 ZR1, only made for 1 year. This is gonna be $1 million car someday. I like the gigantic wing. You gotta get the gigantic wing when you get this car. I gotta make more YouTube videos, make more money so I could buy this thing. I'm starting to see a lot of negative videos recommended to me when it comes to overlanding vehicles. People call it fake adventures, a waste of money. I'm gonna be the guy that embraces this. If this ever stops being a fad, I'm gonna run my van like this forever. I'm forever gonna have stuff hanging off my vehicle because it looks cool. You know what this is the equivalent of? This is the equivalent of someone getting a Corvette or a Porsche with a track edition package on it. You don't need a gigantic spoiler to get through a Starbucks drive-thru. You don't need recovery boards to get through a Starbucks drive-thru. My van actually doesn't fit through most Starbucks drive-thrus actually. I actually have to get out of my van. But yeah, you don't need all this stuff. But it looks cool. I like it. I enjoy it. Not every person with a track pack Porsche or Corvette's gonna go on the racetrack. Not everyone with an overland rig is gonna go off-roading or camping. You know what it is? My overland rig has about 20,000 into it with all the mods, the actual vehicle. I have about 20 into this, and I still work a bunch of overtime. Have you seen what a brand new Tacoma TRD Pro costs? They're like $70,000. So you figure you add all the sick add-ons to a brand new Tacoma TRD Pro, what are they costing? 90 grand? What is that? What kind of car payment is that? $1,500 a month? So yeah, man, if you got a $1,500 a month car payment, you're not doing any overlanding. So you might as well look cool at work. All right, everyone, have a good one and have fun. I am. This Jeep and Tacoma crew are going where we just came from. Did it in lifted vans, 2-wheel drive. See all those videos and pictures on Instagram with the Jeep guys? We're at the same spot. We won the day in vans. All of us are 2-wheel drive. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. See you back. Captain America. Yeah, buddy.
See you on the next one.
See you guys on the next one. This was great. Ryan, my dude. Be safe, guys. And then there are two. That's the line, right? And then there are two. And then there's two. You want to lead or you want me to lead?
Go ahead.
Okay. That's a nice grill.